Seint Beauty has released new hair care, and here are my completely unfiltered, honest opinions about all of it. Let's start with the brushes and combs. This is the classic comb. It's what you'd expect. It's a wide tooth comb. It's great. If you are in the market for a wide tooth comb, this is a great one. Do I think it needs to be Seint branded specific? Maybe not. And then there's the classic brush, which I actually don't have, so I will insert a photo of it here. I have complicated thoughts on this one. I don't have it because I had the opportunity to try it and I just really didn't feel like it was something I needed, so I didn't purchase it for myself. I already have a mixed boar bristle and regular bristle brush, so it wasn't something I needed. Also, it felt like the bristles were really stiff, kind of pokey. I've been told that it's actually really great for people who have thicker hair that's hard to get a brush through. So maybe if you have thicker hair, you might enjoy that brush. I have really thin, fine hair, so it was just not something that was gonna work for me. Then we have the Detangle brush. This is like my most favorite brush that I've ever owned. This is one of those really flexible, like the most flexible, bendy, gentle brush I've ever had. I like to use this to detangle my hair after I get out of the shower. It's so gentle and it just makes me like feel so soothed and like it doesn't snag or pull the hair. It's wonderful. I highly recommend it. I had a detangling brush and I threw it out when I got this one, so highly recommend. Okay, let's talk about the big kahuna. This is the Cloud Cleansing Cream. So this is a cleansing conditioner. It kind of reminds me of When from back in the day. Do you remember When? It's like from those infomercials. It's kind of the same idea. There's a few products like this on the market. It's basically a conditioner that you massage into the hair and it gently cleanses the hair without stripping it of its natural oils. I have a complicated relationship with this one because I already struggle with issues with my hair. I already don't like using conditioner because it tends to build up and make my hair look really greasy and dirty all the time. So I'm still learning how to use this one. I do find that using a lot of it and really making sure to massage it into the hair and really making sure to rinse it well helps a lot. I used it today and I'm having a pretty good hair day. My hair looks really shiny and clean and healthy. So I think I like it. I need to learn how to use it a little bit better. If you have really thick, dry hair, you'd probably love this. Also, the scent is amazing. It smells so good. Seint also came out with some hair clips. These are just regular hair clips. Honestly, like I don't know if they're particularly something you might need unless you just really want some good hair clips. I do like, however, that it has a double row of claws. So it's like a really secure, it's like a really tight, secure hold in the hair. So I do like that. So if you're in the market for a clip, this might be a good one. We're gonna talk about my baby child. This is my favorite item from the entire new product launch that they came out with. I am absolutely obsessed with this. This is the Heavenly Hair Gloss. It's a moisturizing hair oil. It has a little bit of silicone in it for some slip. And the idea is that you can use it in your hair for heat protection, smoothing frizz. Mostly, I just love the shine that it gives my hair. It really makes my hair look glossy. My favorite thing about it is the scent. The scent of this is unbelievable. I wish I had it in a perfume. I would spray it all over my body, put it in my hair, and then take whatever is left on my hands and like rub it all over my skin because it's super moisturizing even on the skin. So my husband has a terrible sense of smell and can never smell anything ever. I wear perfume all the time. He never says that he can smell it or that he likes it. It's really something I do for myself. This is the first time he's actually noticed how I smell and complimented me on it, which blew my mind. So that says something. Seint also came out with a Prep and Set new collection. So we have the Plush Prep Mist and the Fixate Setting Spray. So it's like a primer, setting, spray combo. You can buy them individually. The Plush Prep Mist is really moisturizing and it just preps your skin for makeup application. I like that it leaves like a slightly tacky finish, but it's also just super moisturizing and gives me that dewy look. I love that. And then the Fixate Setting Spray is actually extremely similar to the original Seint Setting Spray. I think it might even be the same formula, just with coconut water and aloe vera added. Don't quote me on that. But it feels very similar. It's a great moisturizing setting spray for the skin. It balances the skin and just helps your makeup look more skin-like. And it helps with longevity of your makeup as well. And last but not least, we have the Feather Blotting Dust. So this is a setting powder. Obviously, it's like a translucent, very light, very finely milled setting powder. You can't really tell, but it has a very, very subtle sheen to it. Not enough to look sparkly or shimmery on the skin, but just to give you that like natural glow to the skin. The really cool thing about this is how it feels. It is so finely milled, it's almost like you're not touching anything, like your finger can't even detect it because it's so soft. It really reminds me of the Pat McGrath under eye setting powder. It's the same kind of thing, and you can't even see it like because it's so translucent. It's good for any skin tone. This is my new favorite setting powder. And that's all the new products. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below, but they are all available now through the link in my bio or at seintofficial.com. I'm so excited about all of them, and especially this guy.